It's Monday, so let's get this thing started, right? One thing at a time. I had a very, well, it felt like a long weekend. And I know for a fact that next weekend is going to be even longer, but it felt like a very long weekend because I've officially slowly started to pack. Which is not quite, you know, my idea of fun, but gotta start somewhere, right? Before I packed, I had to clean the whole house from like top to bottom. That was a pain in the butt. Not even gonna sugarcoat that. Proper pain in the butt, but let's do this. What's up, Jamie? How we doing? Jamie, or JT, sorry. JT from Australia. Don't worry, we got a few people from Australia here. I love it. It's not like the afternoon there for you. I'm pretty sure.
Hi. Good morning.
What's up, Solly? How are you doing? Speaking of people from Australia, is it Solly or Holly today? How sassy are we feeling? Are we dealing with Solly or Holly right now? I see that much of a muchness happened on Friday. Didn't really get, yeah, wasn't anything super exciting, but let's now see if we have indeed, how we do. We have a little bit of a new weekly opening gap. This here, it's a small one, don't get me wrong. It's not like wild, but it's here. New weekly opening gap, awesome source. That being the opening range there. We have Asia high here. Sorry, just going to mark out everything quickly. Asia high right over there, Asia low. For now. Well, I say for now, it's basically London open now. At the bottom, let's mark out previous day Hoi. Yeah. Okay, let me quickly put this up. Okay, so they don't really call that, so let's just call this the previous day high. They're also saying that over there is technically Asia high. I'll make a little note there. Just a little mark over there. Dun 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 dun. Okay, marked out Asia low. Sorted, sorted, sorted. That was quick. Normally that takes a little bit longer, but everything's quite obvious right now. Joy, what's up? How are we doing? Solid right now, but could change at any moment. Oh, I'm a little bit scared, but that's fine. How was my weekend? It was not long enough. I managed to clean my whole place, which is always a pain in the butt, and then slowly started packing, which also feels really, really weird. I can't believe I've slowly started packing, but I mean, the movers will be here in, oh damn, technically 38 days. Yeah, basically 38 days. I know that sounds very long, but if you think about it, I can't do anything this weekend, can't really do much next weekend, so it only leaves like just a itty bitty bit of time left, which is crazy. Hey Gary, what's up? So I have a little bit of a hybrid strategy. It's kind of a mix between market auction theory, ICT, and SMC. They kind of smush together. Okay. Now that that's done, let's do our quick little top to bottom analysis and then we go from there. You're already packing? Oh, yeah. If I I'm gonna freak myself out by doing this, but like I said, I won't be able to do any packing this weekend. No packing the following weekend, which leaves us with nope. 1, 2, 3. Is that right? No, that's incorrect. I'm being a chop. There we go. Let's try this again. No. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I lied. Leaves me with 3 weekends to pack things, which is not enough time. Anyway. What's up, Neil? How we doing? And Coach Carter. Do I enter on volume? No, not really. I enter on pullback, so 50% pullback range. Gary, how long have you been trading for and what's your strategy? How's everybody doing, by the way? How was everyone's weekend? Anyone do anything exciting?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Okay. Lead check. Let's do that. I'm causing chaos. Let's try this again. Daily, we actually had a day that closed bearish. We have a bit of an imbalance as well. And I tapped into the 50% of this wick. So let's see this. I feel like this is now going to be the deciding point. We might get a little bit of a pullback and retest, but the question is it going to reject off of there and we get a continuation to the bear side? Or is it just going to keep going back up again and we're just going to stick with trend as friend until it's not? That is the question. Okay, so that's the daily. Let's check the 4-hour quickly. Now there's that little bit of a volume imbalance at 135 to 173. Did leave a little bit of a fair value gap up above. And we have not tapped into the 50% of this wick just yet. So this could retrace slightly lower still. 1 hour. Okay. Above at 281. Ooh. Yeah, I'd like to see this actually keep going a little bit lower to 747. 15-minute. Nothing like hectic on the 15-minute currently. There was this fair value gap. I mean, there's a tiny fair value gap there. A little bit of fair value gap here, but it's already been tapped into. Had to change the character. See if we continue with the break of structure down. 15-minute, 5-minute. Was glued to a 24-hour race this weekend. Like car racing? What type of race was it? Let's start with AMC 2020. Let's not talk about that though, Gary does. What's up, Debbie? How are we doing? Took a break for a year and you're getting back into futures. Awesome. How are you doing, Louis? Minimally high, it dropped down then. Yeah. It's Brian, hi. Make money online, long or short. I'm kinda. Oh. What's up, David? Give me a second. There's the 3 a.m. open, so I'm just checking out the 5-minute. Let's check the 1-minute. Oh, that was a nice rejection off of. Okay, looks like we're retesting the highs. Back into new weekly opening gap. Beautiful bob to bob right there, but here, wait, where? Oh, this is the 3 a.m. candle. Oh, I was like, where's the 3 a.m. candle? Right here is the answer to that one. What's up, David? There we go. Average price will not go back up there for too tight. New York high from Friday. You think so, Louis? I don't know. I'm giving up with the politics because it's just 1 second it's that, the next second it's that. It's really irritating. Okay. There's the 3 a.m. open. How's it going? Would you like to know my numbers for the day? Sure, go on then. What are your numbers? I think my kids are gonna make me go, hold on, no, David, what happened? Anyone that's just hopped on, welcome, welcome, welcome! How's everyone doing? How was everyone's weekend? Hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic. Oh, horse races this weekend. All 3 my picks placed 1, 2, and 3. Oh, nice! Okay then. Oh, the constant screaming. Yeah, no, just get a dog. They don't scream. They listen, they protect you. So much better. Just so much better. Okay, 302 Deb. This is a climb I was not expecting so early, but we're going for it. I entered the simulator trading competition, started in a couple of weeks. Grand prize 5k. Oh, that's awesome, Gary. Okay. Okay. I'm happy. Hey, Boom, what's up? How we doing? How you doing, Boom? That's OG though, nothing like the superiority complex. Ah, I was gonna make a really bad joke, and then I was like, maybe don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. Into the bob level, tapped into the new weekly opening gap. There's an imbalance. This imbalance has been filled though, but I still just keep note of it in case. Gary, what platform do you use? I'm on Ninja Trader. So I actually do want to go over to Ninja, but I'm currently using TradingView. What happened to Discord? Oh, you have to do a verification. It's to stop the bots. Because the bots are getting very, very irritating. So it's just to stop the bots. So you just have to do a verification, and once that happens, then you have all access to everything again. Sorry about that, Louis. Actually, links I can trade from the trading view charts. Oh, interesting. So, okay, Gary, why do you want to trade from the trading view chart instead of the Ninja Trader? Just out of curiosity. Like, why are you preferring the one from the other? Sorry, I'm just watching this quickly. Let's see what happens here. ES still looks like it wants to push. I think it might retrace back down into here and then continue back up. Oh, this could come down a little bit lower though, but it is so close. Good rejection off of that 50% off of the bob level. You think I'm grumpy? Do I look grumpy? Sorry. I am tired. I am going off of, well, tired and stressed. Good grief, guys. I hate packing with an absolute passion of 1,000 suns. And I have to start packing already. Also, I have way too many books. I have way too many books. Funny, I never thought about it till now. Oh, interesting. You look like you're hating life right now? Really? But I just look like tired. Definitely not hating life. Just counting down the days. Like I said, this week's gonna be stressful. And then I have to leave my child. I have to leave my Perry. Because, ooh, I'm about to like knock things over. I have to leave my Perry because I have to go to my cousin's wedding over the weekend. Like, I hate leaving Perry. He has a small little baby, he can't handle anything. I love that. My life is good, really good, nice. I'll pet sit. Yay! Thanks, Ollie. You're gonna come fly down here real quick and pet sit for like 2 days. It's literally just the Friday and Saturday and I guess Sunday morning, but it's just the Friday night and Saturday night and I'm already like, oh. The start of a bromance. Oh, he's the size of a pony. Yeah. Ponies are small. Okay, come on. Let's see if we get rejection off of there. Hate that it's tapped into the bob level. Is it just me, or is it maybe just because it's Monday? Does this look very slow right now? Is it just me? Like this, it feels very slow. It's moving, but very slowly. This happened the other day as well, didn't it? I remember this happening the other day. I'm gonna leave them. Nah, you don't mean that. You'll miss them too much. Shots with surfing. See, that sucks. I see Boom had a really good Asia session and now this is just... yeah. This is just, yeah. Here we go. Ooh, this is why we wait for confirmation. Da, 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 da. I forgot to mark out midnight. I thought I was missing something. Where's Midnight Magnet? I thought I was missing something. That was bugging me. Okay, thank heavens, I remember. Guys, it's Monday. I'm gonna have to wake up. Ooh, yeah, check. UAP, Midnight Magnet, all the way down there. If I'd taken this trade, I would be feeling not so happy right now. What's up, OTT? How you doing? Did you sleep at all, or were you just playing the whole weekend? You caught a W in Asia. Oh, awesome. Gary, no, sorry, I'm actually in South Africa. What's up? I am South African. What is the time here? It is currently actually 9:11. Sorry, it's 9:11. That is the time in South Africa right now. I'm actually dying right now. What happened? Anyways, Solly and Boom, anyone else that had a good little winner chicken dinner during Asia session, well done. I don't look African. Anyways, it's 2:11 in the morning. Why are you awake, Gary? And OTT is so sick. No! What happened? Apart from you just being sick. Why? Go take some medicine and go to sleep. Why are you awake? I was joking. And I worked late. Oh, damn. Okay. And you worked late? That's very late. What the heck do you do? I'd love to know what African looks like. Right, Neil. You know, I've had a few people ask that and I'm just like, I don't... How? At this point, I'm convinced I need to get, like, that proudly South African, like, stamped onto my forehead. Not tattooed, just stamped onto my forehead. Maybe that's the way to go. Medicine not helping, been a rough weekend, not gonna lie. It's gonna go back to 29400. No ways. John, you think it's going all the way back up to 29400? Fine, you make it. Then it drops again. Okay, let's do a poll on this because I'm curious. Who believes that this is the start of the bear run? Let's do a poll because I'm curious. I'm hesitant to say me. Yeah. Just because, again, you know, trend is friend until it's not, but this is looking... Yeah. It always goes up before it goes down. Bear run incoming. There we go. Okay. Let's see, guys. Let's see what you guys all think. Looking at the charts today, I thought that the bear run could potentially be here now, but we know that I'm not always the best at seeing that, so meh. Still back up to 29,400. Okay, that's quite a distance to go. Is indeed quite a distance to go. Go away. 315. Still nothing magical here for me yet. Okay. Oh, okay, so we have a 50-50 split about if we think this is the bear run coming. On the one side. On the other side, oh, no, still kind of 50-50. Gary, sorry, this is the Nasdaq futures. I'm trading the micros to be specific. So MNQ is the symbol. But we are going, kind of. A little tap in there. Let's see if this is a little bit of a push back up. How does this look on the 5-minute? Watch this on the 5-minute for a little bit. This doesn't look terrible. Could have been a little bit of a fake out happening there. Okay, let's see. I spent the whole week learning how to edit. It's a lot harder than I thought. What, edit videos? OTT? Does the bear have scissors? If so, it shouldn't be running. You know what? Skeletal, that was good. That was good. I'll give you that one. That was a goodie. That really was a goodie. You can feel proud for that one. Brother bear, what's happening? Why? Why are we going so slowly? Yes, why is it so hard? It was Da Vinci, it's hard. You get used to it, OTT. I can now get a short out there in like 15 minutes, depending, but yeah, it is difficult though. I'm still busy editing the other one, just because I'm like, oh my gosh, there's a lot. You need a Jackson parrot dance. This is actually gonna bug me. Let me do this. Maya, but those shorts suck.
Emotional damage.
Rude. Unnecessary. Seriously, Sully. Yeah, Holly has arrived. Wow. Holly has arrived. So thanks, I hope everyone's week is off to a good start. I mean, with that, yeah, that joke was terrible. OTT, if you need help, just pop me a message. I'll do my best. I can maybe just like share some screenshots or something if you need help. Holly's here, yep. And Otiana isn't here yet. Otiana's sick. Otiana's on sick leave. What's up, Samuel? It was okay. Yeah, twas an okay weekend. You know when you feel like you need a weekend from your weekend? That's where I'm at right now. Have I looked up? Okay, let me look him up right now. Let's do this. Let's look up Jackson the Parrot. Dancing, right? Which one do you want? There's so many. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, sorry. You know what's funny? I've always kind of wanted a parrot, but in the same breath, I'm not really a bird person. Never really been one. Oh, hello. What do we have here? Do we have a potential little tradey trade over here? We do. This is a bit of a sneaky one. Screw it. Sorry, can you guys tell I've woken up in a meh? Let's see what happens mood. That's where we are at. Meh. Let's see what happens. This might go higher up, but oh well. Oh, will do. Was supposed to be my first video today, but I'm out here negotiating with the Grim Reaper. Okay, let's see. Early want a parrot. To be fair, like I said, I also want one, but again, me and birds are not friends. Never really been friends with birds. And they're low-key scare me, so yeah. Let's see. My friend is some crazy 19 compare bird that. So what did Solly just what? My friend has some crazy exotic 10k parrot bird thing that lives inside, and every 2 minutes it yells and yells you. If you hold. Yeah, no, see, that's the thing. Birds also low-key terrify me. Like I said, chickens are scary. If I think chickens are scary, it means that parrots are even worse. Because their beaks are sharper than a chicken's. So 100% a little bit scared of them. What's up, Hammer? You serious? It's so flipping loud. Yeah. You know, the noise is fine, I guess. You know, whatever. Oh dear. Yeah, that was a big push from the buyers there. Damn. Did reject off of VWAP, but not enough. Oh, well, it tapped into where I wanted to see it tap in on ES. Let's see if we're gonna, let's see if it's gonna continue back up further, assuming as it tapped into that fair value gap, or if this is where it goes back down. But like I said, the buyers definitely pushed here, so this is most likely gonna be a loss. And then we just move on to the next. Birds are the CIA. Cool. On to the next. Like, imagine teaching your parrot to say, "You unprofitable monkey." My parrot would be saying "Orderful." The only way I like chickens is on a taco. That is rough. That is rough. Silly thing. Do 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 do. Okay. Do you only trade or sell courses as well? No, I do not sell courses. What was my compliments to go short? Sweet and simply, I had a shelf, I had a volume imbalance, and, well, shelf, volume imbalance, fair value gap. I know they're like same, and VWAP. I was waiting for a little bit more of a rejection off of this. One more tap down. If it had just tapped down a little bit further, it would have been a very quick little sell short, but it's fine. We then move on to the next. That's how it works. Was a banger triggered? No. Like I said, it had the compliments as I wanted, and I thought, let me take a sneaky trade just to start off the Monday. Hammer, you done? You just did your daily target on that push. Nice. Thank goodness the trading is legit. So raw FPS gaming. It is gambling. To be fair, anything in life is gambling. If we're gonna be like, we're gonna be those people. Anything in life is gambling, right? As Debbie loves to say. Even getting in your car to drive somewhere is gambling. So you just move on to the next. Hammer, sorry. You deserve a very good whoop whoop. Well done. Reality Kings, what's up? How are you doing? The big shorts might be coming. Oh, I see that we are still at a bit of a 50-50. We're basically at a 50-50 split about if people think the bull run is coming or not. Getting out of bed is risky. Exactly. Yeah, they're perfect to mimic voices. I love how it mocks the little girls when she screams. Debbie, that is amazing. I love that. There we go. Wait, is David still here? David, maybe that's what you gotta do. Get yourself a parrot and they'll just start screaming back at your kids. Smooching Asia High now. Snooching Asia High. Smooching it, no how. Okay. Let's do this. Sorry, give me 2 seconds. I wanted to see. Oh man, I can't do it now. I have to do it a little bit later. Oh well. Moving on. Huh. That's weird. There's no sound. How about now? Hello. I hope it helps or works. If it doesn't, that's very, very weird. What the heck, Louis? Where the heck do you live? That is so weird. It says it's working. What's up, old Lim? How are we doing? It's hilarious. Louis, that's a standard Monday night out in front of mine. What the heck? Okay. Y'all need, I don't even know. I don't even know what you need. Thanks, reality. I did. I haven't watched it though yet. Leprechaun, how you doing? Dun 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 dun. Okay. There's been a study that shows that riding a bicycle is more dangerous than plane. I can believe that. I can believe that. Just the other day, I watched them smash the back window of a car and... What the heck? MNQ is gonna go higher, looking for a long opportunity. I'm gonna watch this now. Let's see what we get. Do you know the TV show is 60 minutes? No. Should I? I feel like maybe I should, but no. Or rejection block. Let's see, this is the new weekly opening gap. It just kinda, it has been filled, obviously. It has been filled. I'm waiting to see what we get here. 333. I've had a little trade. How are you feeling today? I'm good. I'm good. Like, today is gonna be interesting. I thought Friday would be the screw it, a little bit of a degen day, but apparently that's today. Like, if I see anything that looks decent, I'm just gonna... I mean, that's what happened here. I was like, yeah, got it. Let's take it. Didn't work out. It's fine. I wanted to see it reject. If it had just rejected slightly more, this could have wicked me out. I mean, TP was also on that midnight magnet. Oh well. Now we move on to the next. Between my commitments and a spot in Nasdaq. Why do you say that, Sharp? Oh, wait, why do you say that? Look at Jason come up around my area. They keep stealing my mail from everyone. The last thing I saw before the ruckus was everyone was saying, you look like you were hating life. Nah, I'm not hating life, guys. I'm just chilled today. Maybe that's it. I'm just chilled. Is that it? Is that maybe it? Like, I don't have the excessive woo that normally comes after the weekend because I'm tired. It's the news hour, but tells 3 stories in an hour. Wait. Louis, all of this happened like right now? Do people watch TV? It's 2026. Neil has a point. I don't mean to be that guy, but Neil does have a little bit of a point. I don't watch TV anymore. I watch things on Crunchyroll and I stream things on Netflix. I don't watch TV. What do you think of a morning session in New York? Hello? What do you mean? Do I like trading the New York Open? Yeah. It says definitely below. I can go previous close. It's not sideways to the red. I have sub. I was just trying to help with. Oh, thank you, Reality King. Just now. Oh my gosh. Eddie, you go. I don't watch TV. TikTok is my news. Crunchyroll? It's like an anime website. No, you don't know Crunchyroll? I'm not mad. I'm disappointed, sorry. It's fine. No, band size. I'm thinking that also. Wow. You know the world is cooked when someone says TikTok. Someone thinks. You're practicing a morning session. Nice. Eat Crunchyrolls. What's wrong? What's wrong? Okay, give me a second. Do I know about BBC and Sky News? I mean, we don't really get it in South Africa. I know of it, and do I watch it? No, give me a second. Yep, not a clue what he was saying. Next one. When you're the best, you have to 5 cups of coffee today. I still need more. Eddie, you've had 5 cups of coffee? Are you okay? Imagine not liking anime. The dog smells an overloader. Hey Tyson, what's up? One time I heard that I was institute from and I don't know where to start. Hammer, I mean, if you have Netflix, a cute little anime to start with, and it's really funny, is Delicious in Dungeon. OTT, I don't know if you've watched that. It's awesome. It's positive, respectful vibes, no dirty chat vibes. Oh, thank you, Reality Kings. I appreciate that. Debbie's got a boyfriend. Yeah. Is this learning or real money? This is a funded account. So technically real, technically not. There's some debate when it comes to that. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Well. Anyway, do you think codes? Already true that? Wow, okay. Market out 3:30 p.m. 50-minute candle on Friday on NQ. Atlanta, what's happening? Was I sober for once this weekend? Always. I thought he was just a friend. Now I know. Oh, hell nah. Sorry. This now looks like it's doing, you know me, I call it seek and destroy price action. Takes out the highs, now going for the, basically takes out external, internal, external, internal, external, internal. Shoot, this is not good. Alright, stop loss and profit, nice. 200, can't imagine. Oh, I see. Everyone have a big move, trickle back. So is this the trickle back? Because this kind of still looks a little bit like a big move, Hammer. That's quite a big push back down to the sell side. My friend is doing a test on her 150k account. So eval. I'm assuming it's an eval. So you get an eval and then a funded account. So once you pass the eval, you get a funded account, which means when you get a certain amount on the funded account, you can get payouts. I bet you Maya's only watched one more anime than me. She a fake nerd. Solly, bring it on. What have you even watched? Because I've watched a lot. Yesterday I finished, well, the anime is not done yet, but I finished all the episodes that were available of ReZero, which makes me really sad because I was like, it can't end there. What the heck? Wasn't even a full season that was done. Ended on flipping episode 6. That made me angry, but anyway. We're doing pink. Yeah, we are, Louis. It's pulling back from 1 hour gap. It's going back up. Oh, interesting. What's up, Kobe? How are we doing? He said he passed a 25 and a 50k. Oh, there we go. Okay. Fun is more harder than any problem. Please don't have a Comic Con medal set. Why not? Save it for New Year's or something. Yeah. Hey, Sunny, what's up? Do I watch CNBC? No, no. Louis saying drop, 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 drop. Drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. Burr, 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 burr. Look, I'm starting to wake up. Do you know what's also, I think, I did something crazy. It's crazy, absolutely insane. I went for a run this morning. So I realized that Perry's starting to look a little bit like a potato. So if there's any motivation to do things, it's to keep your dog fit. So I did go for a run this morning, so maybe that's it. I just have calm energy, not like pent up energy today, which is great. I'm fine with that. You don't strike me as someone who can cook despite the tuck shop arms. Solly, you are not wrong. Well, I mean, I can cook if I want to, but do I like cooking? No. And am I amazing at cooking? No. But I can if I want to. I just never want to. And also, I'm a very clumsy individual, so the kitchen is very dangerous for me. I mean, the other day, I think it's actually on Discord. It is actually on Discord. I cooked and I completely burnt myself. Was it here? I don't know, to the point that like it had blistered. Yeah. My fitness journey 2026. Going for a run is not doing something crazy. For me it is, because it was cold this morning. For me, that's crazy. I am not a runner. That's not what I do. And then found a chocolate on my bed this morning. I think it's been there for a few years, but I'm saving it for a rainy day. Okay. Shake it all. Not good. Parents, parents, so what chance did I have, really? Before the market decides to go down, we'll see a move like last Friday, and we can see today variation of Friday. Close it manually. Nice. Not waiting for midnight. No, she's a at a family restaurant. I miss those work lunches. I had curry last night. I think you can fill in the rest. Yep, I can. It's something. It's something close to this, right?
Emotional damage.
Yeah. No. Tap there. Good grief. This is kind of continuation. Who was it? There's been... It was actually Mudcrab. I haven't seen him in a while. That's a shame. It was Mudcrab that mentioned that Friday is kind of... Not Friday. I'm lying here. Monday is kind of like a continuation of Friday. Which is all very well and good, except for the part that I absolutely hated Friday's price action. So maybe not all very well and good. Can I make a biryani? No. Your special chicken you cook, what's it called? Easy chicken. Hammer, that one. Easy chicken. Has Monkey ever gotten on you or something? Have you pet one? No and no. There is damage. I wouldn't call it emotional though. And rip. True, and rip OTT. I want to test my luck. Opened a long position with a small stop loss. Mud crab and rip. RIP. Sorry. Got to admit, Friday New York session was fire. For you. Remember the chicken is called special microwave chicken with special sauce on top. It's not microwaved. It goes in the oven. Microwave. Okay, just because you love the microwave doesn't mean all of us have to. Oh no, I dropped it. Did I choose the name or not? No. Well, I don't know where the name come from. It's my mom taught me it and she called it Easy Chicken. Where'd it go? There it is. Give me a second. I'm gonna pull this down with me. Yeah. Bruh. Okay, this is a start, I guess. A start. And what goes in it? Literally, it's just chicken, rice, but the sauce that goes on the chicken and then goes into the oven is literally just chutney, mayonnaise, and milk mix. That's it. Pour it over, and then you drizzle like brown onion soup. Obviously, the powder. You drizzle that on top, and that's it. And then you make rice to go with it. Ta-da! Am I trading currency? No, I'm not trading currency. I'm not asking for a boyfriend. Uncrim ain't been in for ages. Hope he and the missus are okay. Right, Debbie, and there's no way of me asking either. No clue how to even ask him. What's up, Lance? How are you? Sorry for. Oh! Sorry. I'm so happy. Look who's back.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Some guy's back. What's up, some guy? Welcome back. Don't be sorry. I hope you're doing okay. Been thinking about you. I hope you're good. I hope you're good. Welcome back. We're just talking about people that have kind of gone poof. Yeah. Oh, Debbie, you knew my crime message. Yeah, Debbie did. And using rice cooker? No. It's yummy, McWaller. Don't knock it till you try it. I feel bad for your taste, but McWaller, again, I'm gonna say this. Don't knock it till you've tried it. What's a brown onion? Oh my gosh. You could say it's a flavor, I guess. Wow. I wouldn't talk about it too much in a few more stuff. He's spending much less time in front of screens and focusing on family and friends. Oh, that's good though. Touching all the grass. How's Elf? I've missed Elf. Better jump up, get ready. Don't even matter. I left the best one I had. Why did you leave her, Atlanta? Maya looks like a person that takes ages to reply to WhatsApp you. You are spot on. Wow, that was... Also, I'm trying to decide if that's rude or not. But yes, I am. I am absolutely diabolical when it comes to responding. I'll be buff either London or New York on Mondays. Yeah, some guy, I love it. I like oxtail, but there's only red and white onion. Why is it brown? It's just called brown onion. Yeah. That's Mara. Not that he knows it. He's good. No, I get it. Yeah, Perry's looking a little bit like a potato, which is why I took him for a run this morning. He talked way too much about everything I did not care about. Rough. I'm worth. I read the reply my brain, I think replied, and then go on about my day. Yeah, OTT, that is basically what I do. I'm like, yeah, I responded to that, and then I move on. And then like a few days later, I'm like, wow, they're so rude. They haven't even responded to my response. And then I look and I'm like, oh no, it's me. I'm the problem. Works every time. Debbie, except OTT has never drank before. Y'all don't know brown onions. Is anyone in a trade right now? This just, yeah. I was just looking at when you looked at your phone, the way you handled it revealed the truth to me. Yeah, but it's because I read it. I was making sure my friend was okay. She's fine. What's got you so non-responsive to things? Oh, guys. Time. Life. Energy. Especially if it's a long message. I prepare it in my brain. That's me in a nutshell. I've had full day arguments about me. Trying to respond to the first sentence, forget about the rest, right? But then you know what? She should just be clever. Just send one thing at a time. Then you respond to that one, then send the next one. Then you respond to that one, then send the next one. Compromise. OTT doesn't drink? No. I think texts are worse, don't even bother calling. Oh no. I get panic attacks if people don't call me. I hate it when people call me. I've never had a hangover or been sick because of... Okay, what were we saying? I'll be back. Yeah, I wouldn't answer. The monkeys. Always some guy. Also, the guy calls being missing. I can't be too alcohol. Can I say 80? We can say I'm never drinking again, but I always do. Okay. Don't go on camera. Right. Just missing. Keep everything about it. What did I miss? How's the office manager? He is passed out right now. Some guy. He is just completely passed out. He's having... You told me he'd had some drinks, I would have believed it. I should, I'm older, but I don't. It takes me not respond. Also, I only take calls from very, very close friends. Never wanted. How if the number isn't saved, I'm not answering. Yep. Like, I mean, how it takes me not read to the help. You respond and get to the point in and out. What's the Disney broad with the long hair? Rapunzel. Yes. Atlanta. Why? Why? Why are you asking about Rapunzel? I say I'm never drinking again like 45 times a week. So if the number doesn't have... Answering! What chart is this? This is the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. How's it look on the 5-minute? Oh, good. Actual grief. Okay, rejection off of there. 15-minute. Just bounced out of that new weekly opening gap. Are we gonna break above it now? That's the next question. like screaming at people who call with deals and promotions. Yeah, high amount of brain juices. Mom and Asian mommy all decline. Okay, Solly. Feel hungover? You have nice long hair. Thank you. It's an absolute mess. I actually need a haircut, but I appreciate the compliment. Thank you. Okay, last couple of months, some guy. It has been rough. So I passed the eval. Yay! On the funded. This is the current, like the balance you see there, 48777.60 is the current funded balance. This funded nearly went, it was $20 away from being blown. Okay. It was literally $20 away from being blown. But it was March, no? March. So I passed it beginning of March. Yeah, end of Feb. And then it just, no, end of Feb, I think. And then March was just rough. And like I said, I think almost every trade was just a loss and it just went down. And now I then completely de-risked. That's why I'm basically trading almost one contract. One contract to trade just until I get back and have more cushion for the trades. And I've slowly been climbing out of this hole. Yeah. It's quite frustrating because it feels like I can't exactly trade properly right now because I am having to be very conservative with my trades to not blow the funded account. You know, now and then I do little wells. Like that one, it was $20 risk. At that point, I'm just like, who cares? If it works, awesome. If it doesn't work, it doesn't matter. But yeah, I'm slowly trying to dig myself out of this. So it's been tough. It's been tough. It hasn't exactly been the easiest of journeys, and there's some days. I think there was a week where I only got like 2 trades in. And then there's another day where I get like three or so trades, which is awesome. But I'm being very selective. Am I to start a new evil? If I risk like $200, it's gonna be so scary for you. Yep. I'll be like, what is that? More cushion for the trade cushion. That's exactly it. Some guy. Oh, you know the 6. Oh yeah, I did. Here, right there. Oopsie daisies. There, I moved it. Right there. A little lost there. Want to see it reject and go down to Midnight Magnet just a little bit more. All I wanted was that little bit of an extra rejection. It just didn't happen. It's fine. If you went from 20 to 7, thank you. Thank you, Samga. I appreciate that. Patience. I think me and Solly are brothers. I think so. I do the same, better than losing account, but I keep multiple accounts, different prop firms. Yeah, that's the thing. I think I have a look. I should maybe get myself another one and just do an eval, get some confidence back there on an eval again, and then pop back onto the funded. I'm definitely considering doing that. That was a good push. Okay, let's see if it breaks above here slightly. You didn't move the stop loss into profit. It didn't go far enough down to move it into profit, Louis. Okay, I must go because I want to trade and I should not. Oh, okay, Hammer. Then just lock yourself out. Can you do that? Wait, what do you trade with? I don't know if you can actually do that. Yeah. Oh, hello. Good grief. At least we've got that push now. Okay. And the charts keep running, running, and running, running, and running, running, and running, running. Sorry, it's not gonna be stuck in my head. It's not an A+ setup. Shoot. Close the apps, there we go. Break them up and close on position. Can we move? I wonder what would happen if I listened to every single person and randomly burst out to me how to trade Atlanta. Same. Maybe I need a day where I will you know what? Maybe I should do it. It'll be a really, really bad day. It will be a it'd just be a waste of money. That's the thing, to get an eval and then every time someone says buy not now or sell now, I'll mark it in. Be like, okay, buy and sell at that point. Did AI make this music? No. Back, life had me in a headlock. London for a Monday has been pretty damn good, I have to admit. Yes, train. Paper train for me. Fine. Okay, but she's moving. Wow. Okay then. Let's see. Let's get this confirmation. The tap in there. And now we're rejecting off of it. Still might want to go a little bit lower down. For your timeline 908, there was a private fund. Compound. She smells the crack of oil. Okay, create the series my, but only make a video when people donate enough money for 50k funded, then it becomes a group project. I mean, that's a shout. So far, awesome PS on the mic. Bought at 129. Oh, nice. Okay. Bought when it had that little bit of an engulfing candle. Why does it look like it's stalling again? I mean, SMT was created here, didn't take out the high on ES, took out the high, obviously, on NQ. Oopsies, hello, what's up? Big woof. Some guy. Big woof. Worst comes to worst, you make money on the funded. If it's a group project, the payout's gotta be split up. I love it. Donate back. Have fun and try. Look at everything on. Stop working at the game. We need more good influences out there. Hey, Snakes, what's up? How are you doing? Let's see. For Atlanta.
That's what she said.
And for Microwave.
Emotional damage.
Anyways. Has 4 AM has happened, my bad. Okay, so this was the 4 AM push. Awesome sauce. It did then proceed to go further back up. But so it just took out the new weekly opening gap. There was that volume imbalance there. It has been taking this thing out. And reject far enough off of it. There's a fly crawling over your face. No. On my screen. Literally, I was like, I'm pretty sure I would have felt that. Had me questioning things there. Okay, probably would not have trusted this one at all. But if it rejects instead, we're probably coming back for the low. So Bitcoin fighting to flip anchor VWAP into support here if it does look for scalp short. Yeah. Still can't believe some guy trades Bitcoin willingly. In chat. I know! We miss it. We miss seeing what's happening on the biddy. Arthur, what's up? Bitcoin volatility is where the money's at, in my opinion. Does anyone trade the Bitcoin leverage tickers? Indian remakes. Eyes for Solana only. Overdose indeed. Why? Out of curiosity, why? Why do you prefer Solana? Yeah, let me scan Bitcoin. Explanation down. I have to math. If you trade Bitcoin, get out the bin because leverage a bit will buy when pumps. I trade direct on exchanges and with prop firms. Super glad some guy's back. I'm happy now. Don't get me wrong, still here sitting and waiting. This was a B setup at best. Like I said, SMT was created here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, some guy does. That's cool. All those firm talks have me curious, but I don't like owing anybody ever. Bitcoin is a 30 stop loss hunting a lot, while Solana is stable for day trading. That's for somebody to try. Any chance? The rated and beyond great movie. My story, what? trades, no. Kujan, thanks for that. Point is 29200. Sorry, I'm glad someone got that. Me, whoever, I got it, I just didn't say anything. Can I help you? Ugh, you need a new bed, bud. 416, okay. Still nothing amazing just yet. Is anyone in any trades right now? How's it looking for you guys? My bad. Sorry. No, if you didn't. The genius of my humor. I just closed at that swing high, so that one alpha really good person just long and short, looking for a higher for TP and really short. Parents got long short. Oh shoot, I didn't even I forgot about that. Thanks, Big Snakes. Okay, let's quickly have a look something. Okay. I forgot that this poll was still up with regards to if you think the bear run is starting or not. It's basically literally at a 50-50 split. This is literally at a 50-50 split. Okay, so first things first, it's in that one. Yeah. Literally at 50-50, because on the one side, the me one about if we think the bear run is going to start by 52%. On the other side, the nope not yet one by 52%. Awesome. That's great. I'm using normally logical and sane today. Rude, I think. I don't know. I thank you. I think. And folks, I haven't even sat at my desk. Yeah, that's fine. There's nothing here for me to do. Yeah, that's logical. I can still go back to sleep. Wow. Wow. So what, I'm boring when I'm using logic? Rude. Where's Geordie? Geordie normally comes... Oh. Well, now I had just had a malfunction. Geordie normally pops on during the New York session. There's a bunch of warnings for big crash. Geordie at work, some guys. Every week my little South African worker leaves me. Don't take me, I'm straight up telling you. Usually you're completely illogical and insane. I don't know if I should feel like complimented or completely offended right now. Okay. You poor abandoned thing, are you okay? If it comes to you guys, absolutely works big Huawei. The first character, 19, and we pivot to Baron is gonna start within a few days, but first giving hope before crushing it. Oh, cheers, Atlanta. Enjoy. Right. We've got a cool new magic trick I want to show Geordie. Bruh. Okay. Watching this one now potentially be working out beautifully. There we go. Nearly took the high on ES, so ES now the bulls are pushing. Might be not 100%. Not 100% sure yet. Really fight going on here at this here VWAP. A little bit. Fine. Atlanta, you know, someone's going to try and interpret that. And I don't even want to try. It's just No. No, showing some of that. Sure. Hit the rejection. Okay, on the 5 minutes, this looks good. Oh, there it runs away. Okay, wait. Whee! I don't know if this is now going to come back or not, but I'm gonna place it. Screw it. Like I said, don't know if this is going to come back or not, but we're going for it. Okay, come and retest further. Has not. I traject off of this wick. Isn't tapped up there yet. How's this look on the 15-minute? Ah, might not come back and get me. Pity. Oh well. We just continue. Whee. Delete that. Up and up and up. Cool. Let's do this thing. Actually, it's kind of small. Aw, man. When it taps into Bob level, I'm out. Check the 5-minute again. It's still fine. I'll call it fine. It's still fine on 5-minute. Oh, it did tap into there. What's up, David? Bluff. Yeah, just fluff. This is just running away. Without a glance whatsoever. I know. Damn it. David, why would you do that to me? That's really rude. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna come this far back down. Probably not. And once it taps into Bob level, I'm out. Okay, let's see. Patience. Oh no. Oh no, some guy. That's scary. She can't go for a swim, Dave. It's too cold with that 23-degree but that's rude. You're also not wrong though. Let's see, what temperature is it currently here? What am I doing? There we go. I figured it out. Nobody panic. It is, you were wrong, Microwave. It's 24 degrees. Okay, get it right. Okay, be better. He's waiting for the coldest day in SA history. He probably is. Which, I will cry. I might cry. I mean, I'll... Yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay. Oh damn, that is warm. I wonder... It's cold for me! What is wrong with you? That's cold, guys. Like... I'm a very big baby when it comes to the cold, as you can clearly see. "24 in a jumper is very Australian, not guys, yeah. It's 7 degrees. What is wrong with you guys? Are you guys okay? Are you guys okay? To be fair, I was gonna try. Yeah, I actually there's nothing to say that will help in this situation. Well, I'm a blanket, got the heating on, and this is meant to be creeping into English summer. Thought it was hot here now. Whoa, hoodie all day. Yeah, that's like a -degree day in the winter. See, that's not okay. That's not okay. Like, I feel like you guys need a hug. Also don't know how Canadians do it, because doesn't it get to like -40 degrees or -45 degrees? -41. Which is the one, is it -41? I think it's -41, where degrees in Celsius are exactly the same. And I'm like, whoa! Why do you think British people are always miserable and drink so much? Oh, that makes sense, to keep themselves warm as well. I have never had lobster. Is that bad? Yeah, I've never had lobster. This might be it, guys. I'm risking a tad bit much here, but we are going for it today. Why? What happened? Make a blonde moment? What do you mean blonde moment, McWavo? Let's move into the room. Maybe shout out to 4 weeks. Yeah, I tried lobster one time, gave it to my friend. Wow. Jordy! Some guy, look who's back! What's up, Jordy? How you doing? Yeah. I don't know if it's a good or bad idea, but screw it. No, I said where they both, did I say at 0? They both equal the same amount. No? Yes, they're both the same. And it's negative 41 degrees. Oh, yeah, degrees. Let's see. Is it when it's negative 41 degrees at Celsius and Fahrenheit? What did I say? Oh. Okay, I see what I did. I see. I see what I did. Thank you, Mikuwabe. It's not a blonde moment, it's just I'm talking faster than the brain can keep up. Okay, she clocked on. Wow. That's daily drink consumer worst time. Yeah. Was a perfect. Let's go for 35 minutes. What? Sadness. Wow. Wait. Some guy? Some guy? I can't tell if you're joking right now or not. Are you joking or not? Are you joking or not? Are you joking or not? Smell the caution. Sugar honey iced tea. Ah, bro. Okay. I guess I'll be right back, guys. I gotta go jump in the pool. For those of you that do not know. Okay, for those of you that do not know, when I did the 24-hour stream, you guys could essentially pay to make me jump in the pool. And some guy was smart. And he said, I don't have to do it now, but I must save it for a later date of when he says I must jump in the pool. And he has just said I must jump in the pool. Okay, I will... 6 months of patience. I will be back. I will be back. Let me go find a towel. I'm making me bad. Okay. Wait, bring the camera. I can't bring this camera. I will record it and I'll put it on Discord. I promise. Okay. I'll be right back. I'll leave this on. I don't think you'll hear anything though. I'll leave it on. Oh, can you tell I'm avoiding it? Okay, I'm going. I'm going. Oh man, I seriously, yo, I better get so many likes for this stream, guys. I better get all the likes for this stream. What do you mean video? I didn't do it. You don't see me like dripping. I'm dripping. What do you mean video? I didn't do it. This is diabolical. TT, I'm so unhappy right now. I don't know if you guys heard me outside or not, but unimpressed is let's just go with that is what I am right now. Okay. It's gonna be hilarious. You guys are so mean. So mean. Definitely just gonna shower and back out. I have a video. I can see the steam. Oh, you guys crazy. Oh. Pleasure doing business. Okay. Let's do this. Let me forward this. I mean, you see Perry's legs there, but... I jump. I jump. I jumped in the pool. This made me even more sick. I actually can't see the chat. I can see the chat. Oh no, how do I not wet everything? Oh no. Oh no. I didn't know. You went in with your hoodie. Jordy, that's the deal. I have to go in with what I'm wearing. Maybe don't sit in your soaking wet clothes. It's nice and sunny, but it's cold for me. I'm a baby, Louie. What are you doing? Oh? Oh, can I get dressed? Am I allowed to get dressed? Am I allowed to get dressed? I thought you wore purple. No, sorry. The deal is that I jump in fully clothed. No? Did you not know that? I'm not changing time after is. What's up? Thank you. Yay! Okay, I can get dressed. Okay, okay, be right back. Give me 2 seconds. Aw, was that gonna be a winning trade? I'm trying not to wet things. This is really difficult. Yes, that is what she said. Okay, give me 2 seconds. Now you've done it, maybe get into my onesie. That's what I'm gonna say. Now I gotta wipe everything. Good grief. Did I miss anything good? Okay, no. Haven't really missed anything good. So that's okay. This was definitely the entertainment that we needed to kick off the Monday. Thanks for that. Thank you. Wipe away all the water. Why is there so much water? Okay. I think we're good. I think we're okay. Okay. Nothing worse than a wet gaming seat, I know. But we're back. OTT with great power comes funny moments like that. Oh, you guys. Some guy. That was good. That was good. That was diabolical and really mean, but it was really, really good. Can't even be mad at you. Welcome back. What just happened? Woo! Guys, like I said, I'm such a big baby. Okay, well now we're gonna sit here with wet hair and a onesie, and this is the new sexy. I'm bringing sexy back. Let's do this. Oh wait, did this just hop into the 50% of this range? Ooh, it did too. Reject slightly off of there. Ooh. Okay. So that's what's happening. Why girls clothes so much better than boys flamboyant pattern? Oh, gonna drop it open. It'll get a bit higher than 29400. A deep pullback incoming.
That's what she said. Michael.
Anyways.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
What did I miss? Hey LP, what's up? You just missed me having to jump in the pool. Now we're warm and happy, but it's okay. I'm still confused to what happened. Oh, lucky. So what happened? So during the 24-hour stream, which was last year, 6 months ago. Wow, 6 months ago, around there. There was a thing where you guys could get me to jump into the pool, and some guy had it, but he said I didn't have to jump into the pool again because I jumped in like 5 times at that point. And he said I didn't have to jump into the pool again, but he will save it. And it does mean that one day when he tells me to jump into the pool, I would have to jump into the pool. And 6 months later, bada bing, bada boom, here we are. So I jumped into the pool. I want onesie in years, I kind of want to get one again. They are very comfy. Look at my Mr. Gaming seat and landed in the pool. A bunch of guys wear onesies. He did. He literally saved it till winter. Some question. I don't know, dude. It was raining with thunder. Was that evil? OTT, why do you want to make it worse? I mean, to be fair, I don't think it gets that cold down here anyways. And in Joburg, I wouldn't have had a pool. So that's good that he did it now. My God, speaking about boys and Snoozy stuff wearing onesies. Atlanta, that is the best. How am I meant to know when you're winter? 6 months later, it's like, well, I know an evil genius when I see one. You guys. I know, but I'm a baby. Like, well, it's not too bad. It is hot. Well, it's warm. The wind is chilly. Does that make sense? An inverse. Okay, so I still have not missed anything, so that's cool. Is anyone in trade right now? Or is this like are we gonna call it here on a Monday? This is our Monday. Our Monday is now ended here because that was was too much fun. It's going into winter so far. High and high low, wait until it breaks below. Get them like the yeah guys, honestly, I just jumped into a pool for you. Well, for some guy. Mad love to some guy. For what it's worth, Maya, you're a better woman than me. Why do you say that, Lucky? do. Once we break above recent high. The recent high has made a significant fuel move higher. Damn, Tyson, I didn't see that. Getting rid of all that noise. Good grief. Forgot about the vertical stream. Long likely gonna end up stopped out at break even after TP, and then yeah, it doesn't look like we're gonna break it. You think so? Oh, you're talking about your long. Sorry. I was like, what? That's unfortunate. I was looking at that potential little inverse fair value gap it just created there. Going back up here. Okay, well, we definitely get more of a push to the buy side with this volume. There we go. That push. Dag nabbit. One that I closed because it tapped into the bub level. Is now working out. Dude. There was some chick on your wedding. I wasn't even. It's very well. Atlanta, what gift is this? I'm scared. What gift is it? I think about them about three. A lot of bullish. No, these markets are brutal. Atlanta, that was a drowned rat.
Emotional damage.
Emma, I'm gonna short right now. I think that did you? I mean, it's just straight forward. Yeah, weird. Why are you so weird? You know what? Some guy who knows. It's a mystery. Hey, it's an absolute mystery. I could lie and say I just hopped out of the shower, but we all know that that is not true. I will have to post the video. I will post the video in Discord. I even thank you in it, some guy. There may or may not be some colorful words, but it's fine to swear on the Discord. So, I'm gonna sell at the midpoint at 9:30. He just popped out the shower. That's I can see bubbles and steam. Again? Guys? Do you want me to post it now? Alright, this is just my mom quickly. Maya, you gotta do a non-PG-13 stream now. It was a cheer. You were gone. Wow. 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 Yes. Damn, Holly is out for blood today. Good grief, Holly be sassy today. Okay, so this original trade idea is actually working out, but you know, my rules are when it taps the bob level, it's no longer valid, which it did do. So it was just no longer valid. The next hour possible. She took off her glasses, wet hair, then showed us a picture of a butterfly. The tattoo. What? What's up, Juicing? How are we doing? Happy birthday at the thieves. Give me. What am I doing? Oh, my brain is all over the place now. Absolutely all over the place. Incognito, what's up? I'm just waiting to see what my mum says. So they've finally done, well, I say finally. They're down this side, but they're sorting out things, and I kept all of their documentation, so I might have to take a photo. Yeah. Why is she getting? Bring up zillion creeps out of the YouTube woodwork. You know what? To be fair, same. Had me fool for a couple seconds until I realized it was her. I definitely need YouTube groups from the channel. I think he maybe succeeded, which is wild. Which is absolutely wild, some guy. Right head and shoulders. I'm guessing he's gonna go down. Maya, what do you think? I mean, I'm sticking with trend as friend. This does kind of look like a double top though. So maybe this is gonna start popping back down. But again, trend is friend until it's not, and we are currently trending to the buy side. Enough said. Something like season 1 of TNT. You got rid of all the competition. Oh, season 1. I love that it's now season 1. So what is season 2? Is it just boring for you? Sorry guys, I'll be better. I didn't even notice. Molo has been exiled. Oh. Yo, he said something absolutely terrifying. What did he say? I think all the mods when he said that were like, nope. I think he said something like, I will come find you. And that was, I think all of us were like, okay, then that's a big, everyone noped out of that very, very quickly. I'm nursing Geordie back to health. What's happening? I need too long. You don't want to the same person. Very much use. No, they can vary a little bit. Some people even said that it's better if it takes out. I think it was actually some guy that said it. It's better if it actually takes out that little bit of a high and then goes back down. It doesn't have to be at the exact same spot. Didn't season 2 start with Maya jumping in a pool? Does this mean that now we're going to start season 3? But it started with me jumping in the pool. Doesn't it mean that it ends with me jumping in the pool? And now season 3 is about to begin, and season 3 is about to be very entertaining. Oh yeah, something about not stopping until he finds me. Yeah, that was a little bit terrifying. I think that's the first time I've been a little bit like, help. Okay. Me and Mikrowabe banned him 8 times. There we go. Lock the cell, I think. Well, I did make a Brian, yeah. Guys, this is the beginning of the end of my... Don't say that, Atlanta. That makes me sad. She's talking to let's see these shots with 20k subs. Ah, yeah, we're not there yet. Good enough, you're bored now. We shame on you. Otherwise. Neil, I think he would only... I think we can only count him as a board when he's head built on. Better that a sweep security, yeah, otherwise you're leaving reason for it to return to that zone. There we go. Season 2, my full port songs. Wow, what is happening? I don't even know. Like, I'm not even actually part of this conversation right now. Season 3 starts when Maya's in the new crew. New town, new problems. I'm teaching George how to make a fucking honey and burns. Okay, that one didn't retest. This would have pissed me off. That would have pissed me off. Yep. I can almost guarantee that that one would have pissed me off. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. 501. Oh, it's a new hour. Okay. It was the new hourly candle. Ooh, but clearly some selling pressure over there. A lot of volume, but did not move anywhere with quite a large wick to the buy side. If it drops to 29069, jump in because then I'll head up to 29400. There's going to be a drop before or after New York Open. Okay, wait a second. Okay, good. You know what? I'm gonna mark these out. If it drops to 29069, let's do this. Gonna label it the Kujan line. Okay. Drops there, and then you say it's gonna go back up 29400. Play ball with me, please. Okay, let's test it out. Marked out those levels. Let's see if it does what you say it's gonna do, Kujan. I'm genuinely give it a go. Did I mark this at the right place? 069. Yep. Hey Ryan, what's up? We're all lost right now. We're all a little bit lost. Okay, we're struggling to break above here. I'd like to see if we get a little bit more of a retest going on, or if this is it. 503. What's up, Adam? How are you? How was my swim? It was just grand, David. It was just grand. Adam, I'm glad. I'm just.
That's what she said.
You know when you just hear and you're reading the chat, it's just this right now. This is all that's happening right now. It's a lot. Oh, oil. Okay. Getting something here. Count. Round 2 for David. Part of the museum and make you sit there and you cloths afterwards. Damn, I went all medieval. Your sudden cloths afterwards. Yeah, why do you look so messy? Wow. 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 I did not just come out of the shower, I just jumped in the pool and now my hair is a mess. Thank you for that. I'm gonna have to hop into the shower after this now. To get all the chlorine out of my hair. Just all the midpoint of the bob level. This actually here, oh. Just don't like that it keeps retesting it over and over and over again, and it just took that out. Shoot. Trend is friend until it's not. Trend is friend until it's not. It's been trending to the buy side to take a sell. It's probably done. No, point. No, I know, Louis, you're talking about here. Yeah, you got the midpoint of the bob level. I have no words, that is... No, some guy, when Solly's like this, it's Holly, because he's letting his inner sassiness come out. Holly's just a bee. You can fill in the blank of that one. To be fair, it's over. Unbelievable people. I think this is the most unhinged stream that I've had. We've had some unhinged things happen here and there, but I genuinely think that Holly. I genuinely think this is one of the most unhinged ones that we've had. Oh wait, I nearly. I mean, we still have time. Nearly forgot about Butterfly of the Day. Some guy, I don't know if you've seen Butterfly of the Day. I think you left before Butterfly of the Day became a thing. Except for some guy, he makes my own web. I'm gonna need I'm gonna need a therapist after this freaking stream. Holly the kind of girl to look like Jabba the Hutt, but believe she is.
That's what she said.
Damn. some guy, I forgot that some guy has them clapbacks for people. Okay. I don't think you look messy when put together. I could see you attending the Oscars and that get up, right? This is how people should be dressing. This is the way to do it. You can't laugh at that, Maya. It's meant to be girl power. My bad. Oh gosh. So, okay, Solly, is there anything I can do right in your eyes? I'm starting to get the vibe of no. Not really. Like your sense of humor? Thanks, Adam. My sense of humor or their sense of humor? I'm just here for the vibes right now, damn. This is giving me no setups. So we're just here. We're just vibing. We're just going along with that. Is anyone in a trade? Some guy, I know you were in a trade. Are you out of it? Who is actually currently in a trade? If more girls just like you, the population will go down and the world will end. Why do you say? Oh, what do you mean, Atlanta? What is that supposed to mean? That was mean. But then here they say, they make me feel alone. We'll just about in. Okay. Oh, if more girls dress like me, the population will go down. Still gonna probably gonna get tagged out, but still wins it all gravy. That's okay, some guy. Come on here. Oh Hannah, you missed it. You missed it. I jumped in the pool with my clothes on because I was gonna say it's a long story, but it's not that long. So I did a 24-hour stream, and in that 24-hour stream, people could get me to jump in the pool. And some guy got that, but he said I didn't have to jump in the pool and he'll save it for a later date. But I'd have to jump in the pool when he said I have to jump in the pool, and he seized the opportunity. So here I am, having jumped in the pool, now smelling like chlorine. The Dark Lord is back. Yes, in winter. Hammer, in winter. At least today is 24 degrees and it is sunny outside. Doesn't make it any better, it was still cold, but yes. Behold Maya's foot. What's happening? Is my foot back on your profile picture? It is. Okay. I did a 25. Oh, Adam, it was when was it? It was last year. Was it last year? December? November? It was last year. That wasn't this year, it was last year. I did the 24-hour last year. Have you ever heard of gambling for a living? Like in casinos, not card games or table games? No, I've never heard of gambling for a living. I bet South African chlorine smells like bry. No, it wasn't this weekend. I don't know. American evidence reviews. Sign that home. October, November, December. Sometimes I forget when. Yeah, it was around there. It was end of last year. End of last year was it. Just looked like on the 5-minute. Pity. Still pity about this one, but it is what it is. Why I say pity is because I do still like the short, but I don't think it's a good idea. The professional gamblers. Interesting episode of Modern Wisdom about it. Really? Did I miss butterfly? No. Let me actually go do that now quickly. Give me a wait. That's my range. Don't bring up the damn butterfly. Atlanta, don't be such a baby. The butterflies are cool. Don't be a hater. Okay. Hater blockers activate. Yeah. Because you guys were giving me so much grief about Harry not having sweeties. He now has little heart sweeties. So yeah. There we go. I'm in my feeling. I tried to holler at the girl with no glass that showed up and she disappeared. I'm sorry, I'm cranky. Ow. Good boy. Yeah, how is your just to say hi to say hi. Say hi. Hi, say hi. Good boy. Oh, okay. Itchy chin. Give me a second. 100%. He's the star of the show. He's the main reason why everyone comes here. I know that for a fact. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Okay, well, I can't move now. Oh, the chart time frame. T-King, this is the 1 minute currently. What's up? I don't like phrases like it is what it is, or you can get what you get, or at the end of the day, or that's the way the cookie crumbles, or the draw, or why not? Louis? Harry would be on the cover of TMT the movie. Say the name of just the side character that supports his main story. Oh no, 100%. 100%. If I go anywhere, everyone says hi to Harry first, and then they're like, oh right, and I'm like, no, don't worry, I understand. I'm just the person that chauffeurs him around. I'm just his driver. That is it. I'm just his driver and the person that feeds him. I would be on the back. Oh, I know. I'm gonna show you guys the butterfly that I saw this weekend. How about that? Where are you at? Where are you at, bud? There we go. So this is actually a butterfly I saw yesterday. Is that the book of Fluffy? I see it as Lucky. I know you're all. Yep. If I walk my mom's dog on the beach, I get so many ladies coming up to pet the puppy. I need to get one. Puppy, that's not like the main reason people should go, oh guys, I'm about to you're about to get a full screen of me looking absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's do this thing. Are we ready? Okay, this was the butterfly. Are you guys ready? This is butterfly of the day. How cool? This is butterfly of the day. Like I said, this is actually the butterfly I saw yesterday. Yeah, closer to that one right there. The smoky orange tip butterfly. You've never guessed why, right? Anyways, so smoky orange tip butterfly. So wingspan of 35 to 45 millimeters. Give me a second. Anyway, distribution is widespread throughout South Africa. So it's quite a common butterfly. So widespread throughout South Africa, except moist fynbos, mountains, and high-veld grassland areas. Okay. It doesn't like moist areas. Habitats is hillsides, flatlands, forest edges, and coast. Flight period is year-round, depending on rainfall. Okay, it's just going through a lot of things. Peaks towards late summer and autumn. Its Latin name is Calotus Iepe Ballet. That didn't sound right. That's the best I'm gonna get from that though. So where are you going? That's butterfly of the day. Yes. Was I from the top? Absolutely not. Oh gosh. Okay, but anyway, that's our butterfly of the day. I see here still nothing. Ooh, that was a really nice rejection of that volume imbalance. Actually, wait a second. Moist mention. You anymore? You're reading the book while it's upside down. The gig is up. Why do some people hate the word moist? I don't know. It just I'm not a Latin expert, no. I see that reading is still not your forte. Reading Latin is not my forte. Don't be rude. He's not wrong though. Such a weird word. Okay, so let me just quickly see something here. Yeah, hindsight is very easy though. There we go. Projection off of there. Mother fluffer. Okay. Just stop it. So did the Fed inject that 6 billion this morning? Yes, then. Atlanta, why you like this? I love moist play.
That's what she said.
Anyways, moving on rather swiftly. Weird fact about this monkey. The first caterpillar to hatch starts eating the unhatched caterpillars, and if you eat this butterfly, it can cause you to hallucinate, but most hallucinations are not pleasant. What? I can't lie, I fell on my screen from good. Okay. 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 This has been an absolute wild stream. This has been... What trading happened? Not much. I got a bad trade there, had this set up, but it touched into the bob level, and now we are completely unhinged. That's where we're at. We have reached the unhinged level of things, which is fine. Like, whether you actually spat on your screen, disgusting. Now your screen is moist. I feel like I need a timeout for all of this. Like, I definitely need a shower after this freaking stream. This is just unhinged to a next level. Anyways. Which reminds me of what? Louis? No. Oh, okay. Because she had a sauna. Aw, thanks, Arthur. You're very, very sweet. Posting some driving, that means reading YouTube chat one right to speak. I'm afraid. What's up, Solly? Why are you going, Maya? How can I help? What do you got going on? Just Louis, everything, absolutely everything right now. But it's fine. 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 No, I didn't read the sauna part, Louis. I mean, saunas can be gross if they're not cleaned out properly. I'm just saying. Then they're nasty. Then they just sweat. saunas live. Only reason I don't need for the sauna. No, I do not. Should get a few hits from the elf needs to go outside. Got it. The main character once enjoys some guy. That was fun. Thanks for that. Appreciate it. Glad to have you back. You decided to rock up, cause chaos, and leave. Respect. Gotta appreciate it. Enjoy some guy. Mad love. Glad that you're back. I don't know what saunas you be using, but my sauna's spick and span. To be fair, I haven't really used the sauna, so yeah. Atlanta, what are you going on about? Atlanta's just on a mission. I don't quite know what the mission is. To be fair, I don't think anyone knows what the mission is right now, but he's on it. Five. Oh, wait. Let me just make sure. Thank you. Okay, now we're good. Doing a DJ and long here. Oh damn, Adam, I was low-key keen on taking a shorty short here. Why are you wanting a long right now? Well, to be fair, I could want to step back up there. Take out the lows, maybe retest back into there. Is Boom Nana still here? Nah, I don't think so. It's on the first up in the morning, otherwise it gets nasty through the day. Yeah, see? I did say you're right, you did. Low-hanging fruit. TP slap. Nice. Oh, Boom, you are still here. What the heck? Have you just been chilling here the whole time, listening and judging? What on earth? Louis, when did you give me that? Pullback happening now. Oh, like the sell from here down. Is that what you're going on about? Get that out. Just slow, grind back down, took out that 188. Seller trap, 84% very high now. How'd you get in that? Dude, you told me that down here. $5.28. Oh, I missed that one. I only remember you mentioning it around here. $5.28. Okay. Was potentially keen on this, but this was only a B setup for me. Looks like not a bad setup on ES. Let's see. Smooth Louis. My DJ and long worked out. Oh damn! That was a very quick trade. Can I change my line? Sure. Where to? near local highs. So do you just see a level and you're like, yeah, this could potentially be that, and you just take it for like a few points? Let's say you took it here. Like 10 points. Do you scalp 10 points? Adam? Oh, everyone's... Have I got quiet? I did go a little bit quiet there. Is everyone good? There we go. Done and done and done and done. Cool. Let's see if so sorry in time for I think I'll be fine. I'm contemplating whether or not I want to trade today as usual. Atlanta, why? Just for fun? But yeah, why? Feel like I can catch up on the rest. Oh. Okay, well why not then? If you feel you need it, then you do you. We get here, looking at here. Nope, still not there. But he bought that. A little bit of doji's happening now. Oh, did not respect that. Closed above that on ES. So I'm looking at the volume imbalance on ES right now. Okay, it's respecting it on NQ though. Didn't respect on ES, which is weird. Normally it's the opposite way around. CEPA's looking pretty good right about now. I feel spent. I'm up like 2 point. Go to sleep, Louis. Good grief. Just a matter of how it's gonna get done. You know, if you add up the digit of any multiple of 9, they always collapse back to 9. Really? I'm just that final line. Well, we're nearly there, Louis. Nearly there. I'm giving it like 10 more minutes. Cheers, Deb. Enjoy. Okay. We're going time. That's the end. That's sober up. Wow. Okay, yeah, check this now. Good actual grief. Well, we did get a trade in. Bad trade. What should be the London low. But still, got a trade in. Climbed nicely to the bob level, and now it's chinchilling a little bit. Okay, I give another example, Lucky. Buy zone at 29160. I mean, did they really? I could bet. $5.34. Oh yeah, okay, everything's now slowing down. This is fun. This is fun. Anybody else in a trade? I know Adam had a quick little scalp here. And just going up there. That's a very weird question for them to ask you, Louis, just saying. Overdose indeed. So you're in a sell. Overdose indeed is still in the trade. Arthur, what's up? Okay, volume looks like it's died down slightly now. Like I said, giving it a little bit more time. Basically, all my nail polish is gone, guys. Packing is a pain in the butt. Your take profit is at 160. Oh, you're still in the shorty short. Got it. Would this have wicked me out? Oh no, apparently not. Interesting. Alright, just looking at ES quickly. Okay. Oh, really didn't have fun. No, I wasn't really good at kickboxing. I did do kickboxing. I've never been one that wants to hurt people. I did accidentally give my dad a bloody nose the one day. Like I said, it was accidentally. But I've never really been one to fight because I feel too bad if I hurt people. Embarrassing that be. Make some good money, wow. Isn't the first rule about Fight Club that you're not supposed to talk about Fight Club? Asking for a friend. Oh my gosh! My kickboxing. Why is that funny? You were so mean! I used to do kickboxing. Just not like... I didn't do competitions and things. I mostly did it for the exercise and stuff, and it was really good. So he's so mean to me. Wow. Wow! Damn, put Holly away. Holly came out to be so sassy. And he is my selling labels. This is 208. That is the most non-scary thing I've ever heard. What do you mean? Honestly, that would just give you a full sense of confidence and you would just get yourself hurt on the street. Like I said, I never want to fight anyone. I'm not... no. No thanks. Also, I'm not going to the streets to go and fight people. What is wrong with you guys? Cheers, Overdose, indeed. Fine, knock up and get... My after name. No, I just said I don't want fight. What is going on? What is going on? Apart from this. What the heck? Sorry, someone's shooting a lot. Okay, anyway, sorry. But I'm not okay, guys. Okay. Okay, I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. Anyways. Wow. You guys are so mean to me. I hope you know that. You're the bullies. Good grief. Okay. I see that the volume has actually completely died down. Ah, I say that, it pushed a little bit on ES. A little bit. It pushed a tad bit on ES. Just a tad. Okay, pushing again on ES. ES is moving. NQ not so much. Cheers, Lucky! See you later, alligator. I'm not even gonna say that word. I was gonna say I'm hoping that New York is better, but let's not even say that. What? What? Huh? This is the most sane you've been in quite some time? Oh, most sane? Is that what you're saying? The most sane I've been in quite some time. I don't know what to do with myself. Jody hasn't responded. I don't think the hot toddy wiped about. It's hilarious. Why don't you... It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It was the fresh water that woke me up. Take the compliment. Taking it. Moving on. Yeah, shoot. Okay, I have to actually take photos for my mom there at the embassy and thingy. My Bobby's doing things now. What's up, honey? I would fight Maya. That would be fun. Why do you want to fight me, Miguave? Oh, I feel like that's an unfair advantage. I'm cold now. Okay. Okay. Nope. I'm calling it. I'm calling it because I'm now cold. I need to sort this out. I know some guys not here to see this, but thanks for this. This is now fantastic. Like, if you were blindfolded, that would be an epic battle. You know what? He would probably still beat me, Sadi. It's sad to say, but he would probably still beat me. Guys, who wants to see a video of me and Maya fighting in a ring? No, because I will be like KO'd in like 5 seconds. I don't think that's very fair. Just saying. I don't think that's very fair. It's rude. That's so rude. Okay. Let me, you want to see? My if you get no weapons, Maya gets a 30 round clock. Oh, that was funny. Okay, I love you guys badly. I'm gonna call it there because that was the most unhinged stream we've done in a long time. It was fun though. It was fun though. Trading wise for me, unfortunately not. But New York. Okay. I love you guys madly. Trade safe. Be good. See you guys later. Like I said, I love you guys madly. Don't forget to press that like button, and on the Discord, you just have to do the verification, just to stop the bots and all the people that are trying to be scammers. That's basically what that is about with regards to the Discord. Okay. I love you guys. See you later. Yeah, that's it. Love you. Bye.